students, welcome to DAV Moil Public School, Sita Savangi. I am your English teacher Gajanan sir, and today we are going to revise very important chapter from our English literature book, 3 questions. So let's revise. It is a well-known story written by Leo Tolstoy. So earlier we have already discussed that the king wanted to know the answer of the 3 questions. So but nobody was giving him satisfied answer. So that's why he went to the hermit to get the answer of the 3 different questions. So what happened when the hermit was digging the beds? That time he was an old man, and he was just continuously digging the beds. But when the king saw him, when the king went there as a common person because he wanted that the hermit should not recognize him. So when he saw the old man, he started to help to the hermit. Okay, so the king helped to the hermit. So the king said to the hermit, now please tell me, I have come here from a long distance. Please tell me what are the answers of my 3 questions. So he was waiting for the reply. But what happened suddenly? The hermit said to the king that okay, just wait, someone is running from the bushes. So let's see what happened and who is coming there. So what happened? The man was running. The bearded man came running out of the wood. The man held his hands pressed against his stomach, and blood was flowing from under them. When he reached the king, he fell fainting on the ground, moaning very badly. The king and the hermit unfastened the man's clothing. There was a large wound in his stomach. The king washed it as best as he could and bandaged it with the handkerchief and with a towel of the hermit hand. But the blood would not stop flowing. And the king again and again removed the bandage soaked with the warm blood and washed and rebandaged the wound. When at last the blood ceased flowing, the man revived and asked for something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. Meanwhile, the sun had set and had become cool. So the king, with the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. Lying on the bed, the man closed his eyes and was quiet. But the king was so tired with his walk and with that work he had done with the crouched down on the threshold and fell asleep so soundly that he slept all through the short summer night. When he awoke in the morning, it was long before he could remember where he was or who was the strange bearded man lying on the bed and gazing intently at him with shining eyes. Forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice. When he saw the king was awake and was looking at him, I do not know and have nothing to forgive you, said the king. You do not know me, but I know you. I am that your enemy who swore to revenge himself on you because you executed my brother and seized his property. I knew you had gone alone to see the hermit. So what happens, students? Here the bearded man came, means actually he wanted to kill to the king because of he lost his brother. So his purpose was to run behind the king and to kill him. But the king's bodyguard stopped to this bearded man, and they attacked on him and make him wounded. So what happened? He was almost near to die, but the king helped him and tried his level best to save the bearded man. So in this way, the enemy converted into a friend for the king. So what happened now? The hermit replied to the king that if you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, but had gone your way, that man would have attacked you and you would have repented for not having stayed with me. So the kind act done by the king saves his life also. So the most important time was when you are digging the beds, and I was the most important man to do me was good your most important business. Afterwards, when that man ran to us, the most important time was when you were attending upon him. For if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important business. Remember then, there is only one time that is important, the only time when we have any power. The most necessary time, the most necessary man is the one with whom you are, for no man knows whether he will ever have dealing with anyone else. And the most important affair is to do him good, because for that purpose alone was man sent into this life. So, students, the story give you the message that God has sent you on this planet to do something better for the people, those who are with you. So, in this way, by his own action, the king got all the answers of the three questions. So, ultimately, the hermit as well as the king, both of them become very much happy. So, in this way, Leo Tolstoy has given a wonderful message to us that whenever you get a chance, that time you should help to the people. Okay, students, I hope you have understood the story. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.